A balance is the amount of money you have in your trading account. It is the amount of available cash in your account, excluding any unrealized profit or loss or any possible charges for open positions. The balance does not change during open trades. For example, if you deposited $10,000 in your trading account and then you decided to buy EUR/USD with a floating profit of $1,500, then your balance is still $10,000 until you close the position. The balance of your trading account is displayed in the Terminal Window of MT4 and in the Toolbox if you are trading with MT5.